This week was something exciting that I've learned when we had like a motivational speaker here about One World, and some things that I didn't care really for. Like for instance, I always use a straw in restaurants or wherever I go, but this week something that was an eye-opener about it, to be more environmental friendly and to care more, especially the little small things. There's small things that we need to care about. Like I was really afraid of spiders, scared of it, but now I'm not anymore because I've learned something valuable about them. They could be small, but they're valuable.